You ready to move? Let's get started right away. Swing the arms side to side. Gently move the lower body. Let's wake up the entirety of our being. Continue to build strength, mobility. We'll build some balance today as well. As we do every day, we continue to show up as the body, the heart, the joint all love regular, daily physical activity. You begin to reach the arms up a little bit higher. Twist a little deeper. You modify every movement to meet you where you're at. And let's just go. Turn the head back a little bit. Look to the sky. Look to the ceiling, wherever you are. There we go, endorphins boosted already. Okay. Bounce. Just bounce here and twist a bit. Building circulation, really waking up the body. Okay. Circle the arm, and then the other. Big arm circles. Gonna go through 3 variations of this. Connect to the breath. Now let's open up the chest. Sink down a little bit. Open up. Side bend. 2 to each side. And again, swing the arm. Big circle. Nice and light in the body. Open up the chest. Sink down. Bend to the side. Other way. Bend those knees. Okay. Moving to the side, circle the arms, and we come to the edge. Twist a couple times. If you can get a little gentle skip, really light on the feet. Like there's somebody below you. You don't want to wake up. So quiet. I don't want to wake up the fishes below me. It is a great day for a great day. Let's just love to move. It is a great line. What about it's a great moment for a great moment? If we broke it down even smaller, the preciousness of each moment, of each twist, of each arm swing. Last one here. Oh, so good. Hamstring curl, bicep curl as well. Let's move with a little bit of pace. Really increase our heart rate. Head up. Take this move and let's also open up the chest. Build that amazing mobility in your upper back and spine. And maybe you can move them around your space a little bit. Just with a curiosity. Feel the lightness in your legs. Maybe you come up just a little bit. Let's come back again. With the biceps, building that strength. Oh, you are strong. Again, we can move around our space. Really light-footed. You come up on the ball of your foot, build a little balance, core stability. Breathe. Oh, that feels good. Shake it out. Oh, we are on it. Okay. Whew. Legs a little bit further than wide. Legs a little more than shoulder width apart. Pointing out. Let's squat down. Big circles overhead. Our legs are our pump. Strong legs, sharp mind, and long life. Long, healthy life. Find this movement that works for you. Maybe you can come here. And it's just this. Just embrace whatever movement you can do. Oh, let's just leave this session feeling stronger, more joyful. That's what matters. Couple more. Let's just hold it at the top for a moment. Look to the sky. Oh, shake that out. Oh, hamstrings, lower back, dynamic hamstring stretches. Come onto the heel and reach as low as you can. Can you get to the toe? How about the shin? The knee? It's all good. Oh, you can walk and do this as well. If you have the space, just move mindfully. This can be a challenging move if we're stiff and sore. Wherever you're at, it is perfect. Oh, last couple. That feels good. Ooh, you can feel it? Me too. Cross. Step and arm reach. Point the toe across and as far over as you can. And reach the arms back. Feel it in the shoulders and the upper back. That mobility that you're creating. Tap that leg out. That strength you're cultivating. Flexibility. Just find a nice flow for you and go with it. Breathe. Oh, just be in wonder. Oh, how amazing is this moment? How amazing is the moment when you're stuck in traffic, when it's pouring rain? Can we get to that place where we can be appreciative of each moment? Whew. Yes. We're working on it. Okay. Yes. Ooh. Oh, let's shake that out. I want to finish this session. I know you're going to move so much more throughout your day. just this standing march. But I would like to bring a little bit of a skip into it. If you got it in you and you can move around your space with just a little bit of skip, there's nothing more joyful. I watch my 6-year-old, we get to the park and he skips into the park and skips around for hours while we're there with all the other children. You cannot be unhappy and skip. This movement does fill me with joy, childlike quality. And again, if you're here, find the joy in that. Yes. Smile. Pick up your pace maybe a little bit if you're interested. And that's the first time I've got to sweat in a while here. Oh, the temperature has risen. Oh, it's finally summer in Finland. Ah. Oh. Maybe just bring our hands to our heart. Just take a moment. Just feel the beating of your heart. We've been talking about living to 110 and healthy. Oh, and I heard a great teacher this morning talking about an elegant exit. I just thought that was such a brilliant way to put it. Let's be conscientious of our choices. Build on them every day so that we can have an elegant exit. And live to 110 healthy. Oh, breathe. Thank you for being here. I will see you tomorrow from a new location. You're gonna love it. Just keep moving. Thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.